We're explaining the cannot generate SSPI context error in SQL Server. This frustrating error typically pops up when SQL Server can't establish a secure connection, often impacting things like SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS connections, or linked server access. Let's break down the common causes and how to fix them. 1. Incorrect SQL Server. Configuration. Double-check your SQL Server instance's configuration. Make sure the SQL Server browser service is running and configured correctly. This service helps clients find your SQL Server instance. If it's not running, start it. If it's stopped or disabled, enable it and restart the server. 2. Network connectivity issues. A simple yet often overlooked problem is network connectivity. Verify that your client machine can reach the SQL Server instance. Ping the SQL Server's IP address or host name. Check for firewall rules on both the client and server that might be blocking communication on the necessary ports. Usually port 1433, but this can be changed. Ensure your network is working properly. 3. Authentication problems. This is a major source of the error. The most common problem here is incorrect user credentials. Verify you're using the correct username and password with the appropriate permissions to access the SQL Server instance. Make sure the SQL Server account isn't locked out. If using Windows authentication, check that the client machine account is properly authorized. If you're using SQL authentication, double-check your login credentials in the SQL Server instance. 4. Damaged SQL Server installation. In some cases, the error points to a corrupted SQL Server installation. Try repairing your SQL Server installation. This can resolve issues related to damaged files or registry entries. 5. Client-side issues. The problem may originate on the client machine. If you are using SSMS, try restarting it. Update or reinstall SSMS. If you are using another application, consider reinstalling or updating that application. 6. Driver issues. Outdated or corrupted database drivers can hinder connection establishment. Ensure you have the correct and up-to-date drivers installed for your SQL Server version. 7. Kerberos issues. This is a more advanced scenario. If you are using Kerberos authentication, there might be configuration issues on either the client or server side. Check your Kerberos settings and ensure they are properly configured. 8. Check the event viewer. The Windows Event Viewer, Applications and System Logs, often contains more detailed error messages that could help pinpoint the exact cause of the cannot generate SSPI context error. These logs provide valuable insights into the underlying issue. Remember, systematically checking these points usually leads to identifying and resolving the root cause, restoring your connection to SQL Server.